Hello friends, today we're going to cook fajitas sous vide style. Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef DrMargie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth. I've added to this plastic bag the fajita meat, some salt and pepper with olive oil to taste, green and red bell pepper slices, and some cilantro. And you want to make sure that you take all the air out of the bag and make sure that it is completely sealed. We don't want water getting in here. And here in the Deluxe Multi Cooker, we have some water that has been preheating to 140 degrees. We'll put the bag in here, and we want to make sure that the strip stays out of the water. And we will lock this. The Deluxe Multi Cooker is going to run for 2 hours, and then we'll proceed to the next step. So stay tuned. Well, the meat is now ready, so let's take it out. I'm going to let it drain here for just a minute, and we'll get the cooktop going, and we're going to sear it for about a couple of minutes, and then it'll be ready. We've transferred the meat to the Pampered Chef cast iron sizzler, which is a perfect cooking implement for fajitas. And we're just going to sear them for a couple of minutes. Okay, we'll be adding some Pampered Chef Chipotle. And this sizzler is doubles as a serving platter, and you just put it on the wood trivet that comes with it. And you can set that on your table, and your fajitas will stay nice and hot. And speaking of hot, you also want to use the tortilla warmer to warm up your tortillas and keep them nice and warm for your fajitas. So we're almost done with this. Just have to let them sear for another minute or two, and then they're ready. And just make sure you have all your sides that you want to serve with these. And as you know, fajita meat tends to be a little bit tougher, which is why I went ahead and tried to do this with the sous vide method, because it's a slow cooking method, and it's going to make your meat nice and tender, and you can just see that it's nice and moist and tender, and it's going to make great fajitas. So anyway, these are fajitas made sous vide style, to your health and wealth. Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit, to your health and wealth.